Hey everyone, welcome back to the Goodwill Facts and News channel. I hope you're all doing fantastic today. Today I'm going to share a little known secret that could save you tons of money. Yes, you heard that right, tons of money. Imagine getting free products from top brands on Amazon without spending a single dime. No catches, no sneaky surveys, just free stuff. Intrigued? I bet you are. Stick around till the end for some insider knowledge that you won't want to miss. Alright, let's dive right in and uncover this amazing secret. Did you know that many third-party sellers using Amazon FBA that's fulfilled by Amazon are willing to give away their products for free? Yes, you heard that right, absolutely free. Yep, you heard that right. Free products from top brands, just waiting for you. Here's the deal. These sellers are looking for honest reviews to boost their product rankings, which is crucial for their success on such a competitive platform, which in turn increases their visibility and sales, making it a win-win situation for both parties. And that's where you come in. You can be the key to their success while enjoying some fantastic freebies. So how do you get these freebies? It's simple and straightforward. First, find a product you're interested in. It could be anything from electronics to home decor. Scroll down to the sold by section and look for third-party sellers using FBA. FBA is a merchant who sends their products to Amazon fulfillment centers for packing, picking and shipping. These are the sellers who are most likely to participate in this exchange. Send them a polite message expressing your interest in the product and offer to provide an honest review in exchange for a free or discounted product. Make sure your message is clear and respectful. Trust me, politeness goes a long way. Sellers appreciate a well-mannered approach. Now let's talk about honesty. This is a crucial part of the process. It's crucial to provide genuine feedback. Your honest opinion helps sellers improve their products and services. Sellers rely on your honest reviews to improve their products. This feedback loop is essential for their growth. So if you love it, say so. Your positive feedback can make a huge difference. If not, provide constructive criticism. Your insights can help them make necessary improvements. It's a win-win situation. You get free or discounted products and the seller gets valuable feedback. And hey, dream big, don't just settle for small items. Aim for higher-end products, even home decor. Don't just settle for small items, aim for higher-end products, even home decor. You'd be surprised at what you can get. Be persistent, especially with new sellers trying to build their brand. They are often more willing to give away products in exchange for reviews. Be persistent, especially with new sellers trying to build their brand. They are often more willing to give away products in exchange for reviews. Keep an eye out for product launches and promotions. These are prime times to score some great deals. Sellers are often more generous during these times. They want to create buzz around their new products. Remember, don't underestimate the power of asking. A simple, polite request can go a long way. Sometimes just a simple, polite request can yield fantastic results. You never know until you ask. All right, that's it for me today. I hope you found these tips helpful and are excited to start your freebie hunt. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who might benefit from these tips. And hit that notification bell for more freebie finds. Thanks for watching and happy hunting. Until next time, take care and happy shopping.